on? We on? What's up, man? It's your boy, Pro. We're doing a little lesson today, man. Start off simple. You know what I'm saying? We'll go across the street to the grass.
To the what?
To the grass.
What's grass?
To the right side of the peach and green house.
Okay, that's the second house.
Yeah,
The right side of the grass.
The Camry, you see the black Camry is the sand trap.
Okay, yeah.
You feel?
It sure is a sand trap. Expensive one, too.
Yeah. Got spectators.
Oh, yeah? I see. What, they must want to see you do your Tiger Hood shit, you know? You're getting it in. Wow. Yeah. There we go.
Shall we take